if you're looking for an ebook writer AI review and bonus pack, you're in the right place. Really excited to dive into this one. In this video, we're going to focus a little more on the bonuses because just the other day, either yesterday or 2 days ago, I made a banger video about this where I believe it was called something like make $10,000 a month with AI ebooks using Amazon KDP. I'll put that video down in the description. Highly recommend checking it out because I dropped some crazy good hints of how you can start making crazy good money with this strategy. But in that video, I said, if you buy through my link, I'm also going to give you a crazy bonus pack. So I want to cover that in this video. We'll also talk a little bit about the sales page, and then we'll do a separate video that is actually of more of a traditional review, but you will also get everything you need in this video. So you don't have to watch a ton of different stuff, but you should go back and watch the 10K a month video. So this is Ebook Writer AI. I have been crazy impressed with this thing. This thing is awesome. It is so cool what this can do. And we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's start with the bonuses because that's the main focus of this video. Here's the ultimate Ebook Writer AI bonus stack. So all you need to know to start us off is down in the description. The top link is going to be the link to my Ebook Writer AI. If you decide to use that link, it is my affiliate link. It means you don't pay a penny more than you would otherwise, but I get a commission from the brand, from the owners of Ebook Writer, if you decide to buy through my link. And in exchange, I give you a lot of free bonuses. Now I do this because I hope not only will you buy through my link for Ebook Writer AI, but if you ever decide to buy anything online, to email me at info@jakethornhill.com, and I'll tell you about how basically anything you buy, we can give you extra crazy cool stuff just for using our link. Cool. So once you make that purchase down in the description, you're just going to email me at info@jakethornhill.com, and all the stuff I'm about to show you, you'll get 100% for free, and it won't cost you even a penny more. Let's dive in. Number one is lead magnet conversion. So one of the best part, I mean, there's so many things, and we're going to cover this in a minute. The amount of stuff that this software can do. This is inside the software.
Hey, and welcome to...
I'm going to pull this up for a sec. These are all the things that you could do with this, right? You could make money with the ebooks by selling them on Kindle or your website. You could package them into bundles and sell them as high ticket offers. You can offer them as digital bonuses, sell LR rights. You can do free ebooks as a lead magnet. You can position yourself as an expert in a niche. Like, so much stuff, so much. But one of those things is, where am I? Let's see. Here we go. Is create very high quality lead magnets. Now, I'm super passionate that lead magnets are one of the most important thing in your business, because if you give someone a bad lead magnet, first off, if you don't give them anything, how are you collecting emails? You can, but you're losing a lot of emails that you could be collecting otherwise, and emails are the way you really make money in this business. Because you've got to tell your customers about the awesome thing to help solve their problems, right? And you can't tell them if you don't have a way to contact them. So what a lead magnet should do is it should give something very valuable to your ICP. ICP just stands for your ideal customer profile, your avatar, your dream client, whatever phrase you want to use there. It should give them something really valuable. Their first experience of the thing they get from you should be really, really good. They should be impressed and be like, oh, if this is the free thing he gave me, I wonder how good his paid stuff is, right? That's the mindset we want to create. Like when I give you these bonuses, I want you to be like, oh, these aren't like cheap junk stuff like most people's bonuses out there. Like these are actually good, high quality materials that help me and help my business. I'm always going to go back to him for bonuses. Like that's what I want to create, and I want to help you be able to do the same. So this resource is going to teach you how lead magnet conversions really work. Number two is a full course. It's affiliate marketing school that's going to go deep into how to make money with affiliate marketing. So I covered this in one of the reasons I added this specifically. I covered this in the video I posted yesterday or 2 days ago or whatever. One of the strategies that I'm using to make money with this is you can actually embed affiliate links into the ebooks you're writing and then publish them on Amazon KDP. You can give them away for free on Amazon KDP. So I get Amazon's traffic source, I get Amazon's authority, and I can give you something for free with my affiliate links that I made in 5 minutes. And if you click, I get a commission every time. So just really cool opportunities there. So affiliate marketing is just a skill that you need if you're not already familiar. This is going to go in depth on both the basics and some of the in-depth. So I have a feeling no matter how much experience you have with affiliate marketing, there will be something in this course that will be an aha moment for you and help you make even more money. Copywriting expertise. Now, a big part of making ebooks, lead magnets, anything is your prompting. You need to actually create good, high-level copywriting in your prompts. So understanding how to be a really good copywriter is very, very important. I should actually include a good prompt for that as well. And if you remind me, I actually might throw that in as well. But this is going to show you how to be a good copywriter. If you are a good copywriter, that can translate into your prompts, and then your prompts are going to translate into the quality of your ebook. If you just say, make me a book about fill in the blank, you're going to get crap. If you get crap and you give crap to somebody, they're never going to want to buy from you again, right? Like, we want to create a good cycle of giving really high quality things to our ICP so they have a good experience and they come back and buy later. And the way we do that is by understanding how copywriting works. Instagram ad success. Obviously, you do not have to use Instagram ads with this, but it's actually a really good way to make money, right? You can make ebooks, lead magnets, all these things. Run Instagram ads, and you can use lead magnets where now we're going to collect opt-ins. You can actually sell them. There's so many things you can do. Maybe you decide to put a book up on Amazon KDP and you want to run ads to it to get traffic and get reviews and get sales through Instagram. I want to make sure you have the ability to do that and the resources necessary. If you buy even one of the upsells, and the upsells are cheap, they're like $20 each. They are really, I think I got every single one, which I don't always do, but these were just kind of a no-brainer for me personally. But if you do buy any of the upgrades, even one of them, you will get these extra bonuses as well. The first one is a full course on 6-figure digital products. Again, what products are you selling to make money? When you make an ebook, are you going to add a link to your product? Are you going to add a link to an affiliate offer? I just want to make sure you have all the resources you need to make a lot of money when you buy this. Like, when you buy this, you should easily make 10, 20, 30 times what you pay. Easy, because it's not expensive. So 6-figure digital products is going to help you do that. Finally, is 50 Canva advanced mockups. One thing I love about Ebook Writer AI is it also creates your cover for your ebook. So you can take that cover image, and this gives you 50 different templates you can use. I think there are the vertical ones, the horizontal, and the square maybe. I think it's 50 of each. I think. I looked at this like 2 days ago. Don't quote me on that, but it's a lot of Canva templates. So however you need to post it, this is going to help you be able to advertise it, sales page, advertise it in posts, wherever you might need to, or you can use it for something else, obviously. So you're going to get all these bonuses when you decide to use my link down in the description. Make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com so I can get you these bonuses. And if you have any questions, I'm always here to help you in any way I can. So let's talk a little bit about Ebook Writer AI. This is a very short video, so we're going to take a look at it real quick where he kind of walks through a few of the basics. I'm going to show you a little bit of the back end. We're going to talk about pricing, and then I'll save the rest for the more in-depth review, because in this video I really wanted to share with you these awesome bonuses that I think are going to make the purchase even more of a no-brainer than it already was.
This is Ebook Writer AI, your shortcut to creating real professional ebooks without having to write a single word yourself. Here's how it works. First, give your ebook a topic, a title, and a short description. Something simple. A few words is all it takes to get started.
That right there, so you see where it says context, that's where we want to create a really good prompt. That is important, but that is literally the entire thing. Like, once you've done that, there's a few like check boxes or fill in the blanks like author or whatever. But once you've done that, it literally does everything else for you. It's actually crazy.
A few words is all it takes to get started. Choose if you want images added automatically to your ebook. Want to monetize?
I actually forgot to do that the first time, so make sure you don't miss that little checkbox so you can get images.
Automatically add affiliate links based on keywords, or drop in your own links manually later. Choose how many pages you want. 20, 50,
Crazy
even 100 plus. You're in control. Pick the AI model you want to use. GPT-40, Claude, Gemini, and others are all available. Select your audience, writing style, and language. Need a casual tone? Formal? Professional? Easy. Now choose your formatting options.
All that you can
fonts,
default.
layout, spacing, and if you want an AI-generated cover image, just click once, or upload your own. Hit generate and let Ebook Writer AI take care of the rest.
It's done.
Your
It literally
ebook
does
is
all that for you.
created page by page, complete with a table of contents, chapters, formatting, links, and images. And yes, you can edit anything before downloading. Change the title, rewrite a section, add images and links, whatever you want. Download your ebook and use it for Kindle, lead magnets, list building, or sell it directly. You pay once for a set amount of credits each month. Your credits renew every month. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Just an easier way to
One-time payment for this, 0 subscription. That's crazy. I couldn't believe
create
when I heard that.
ebooks month after month. Go ahead and choose your plan below. Ebook Writer AI. Create, publish, profit.
Yeah, I mean, that's really cool. There's no subscription fee. So you get all of this. It's a one-time payment. You get commercial rights. Your credits roll over every month. And you get the Amazon KDP training. Like, I got an Amazon KDP book up in like 5 minutes, and it's just free traffic for me. Unbelievable. So again, I'll go over all these details in the review video. But what I do want to talk about is the pricing. So if you just want to test it out, come in, just grab the WarriorPlus special, $17. It gets you a nice little chance to test it. If you know you're going to use it, I mean, I immediately bought the 97. Unlimited credits. I think everything else is about the same. I think it's just a credits issue. But, I mean, we're pumping out a lot of KDP content with this because you can post up to 3 KDP books a month. You can post up to 3 KDP books per day. So I'm having my team do 3 books a day. We used to do word searches, so we've had a little bit of experience with this before. But it's like, it literally is like 5 buttons. It's so stinking easy. 10 minutes. 10 minutes from opening the campaign until having the book in review, which means we've submitted it. Wild. Really, really cool. So again, make sure to use the link down in the description. When you do, I'm going to send you all these bonuses completely for free, just as a thank you for using my link. You're going to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. And before you go do whatever else you're going to do today, make sure to go down in the link, and there's going to be a video too, that one I posted a couple of days ago, about how to make $10K a month with this strategy. It's a great video that shows you exactly what I am doing. I show you the first book that we made doing this, and I think it's a strategy that's really going to help you. And if it's already not a no-brainer that you're going to buy this, it will be after you watch it. I won't go too much into the software because it showed a good illustration of it in that video. And again, we'll save this for the review, and we kind of went into it a little bit when you go watch that video down in the description. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure to watch that video. Make sure to use the link in the description. Make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com once you have made the purchase, and I will see you very soon on the next video.